In this video I want to give you a quick guide to where is the right holiday destination for you in Menorca, as Menorca has very many different and very unique holiday destinations. It's about 15 of them in total. In this video I quickly want to go over them, give you a quick description of them and a quick guide to where is the right holiday destination for you in Menorca and where you should stay in Menorca. First holiday destination in Menorca I wanted to talk about is Sombu. Sombu is very close to the airport, so meaning it's very easy to get to. Do know that Sombu is a little bit of a strange place. It's different than most of the other resorts, as most of the development here is residential real estate. There is, however, a small part of the town of the resort that has some really nice hotels, some really nice bars, so do check on the map if you are booking any of the hotels that is located in the right location, close to this center part of town where you have all the restaurants nearby, also the beach nearby, and it's a really good location to be in. The next holiday destination I wanted to talk about is Santo Tomas. It's just a few kilometers away from Sombu, but it's a very different place. This is a much more touristy destination, I would say, and it also has some of the more modern and upscale hotels on Menorca. So if you're looking for a really holiday, a touristy holiday, then this could be a great place for you, especially for families who are looking for new and modern and a very well-maintained place to go on holiday in Menorca. This could be the right choice for you. Next up in Menorca is Cala Galdana. Cala Galdana, the first thing you will notice here when you arrive is the amazingly beautiful beach. The beach here is really nice. In my opinion, one of the best beaches within the resorts in Menorca. So if you like a beach holiday, I can definitely advise this as a location. But also if you like it a bit more active, from here you can hike to two other beaches nearby. You can go mountain biking here, kayaking and loads of water sports. So also if you like an active holiday, something I can definitely advise. There's a small little town here with some playgrounds for the kids and a few restaurants, but not too much of everything, keeping it nice and compact feeling. Next up is Cala Bosch. This is one of the bigger, if not the biggest holiday destination on Menorca. There's lots of choice here from everything. There's two different beaches here, very different beaches from each other. One more touristy and one more rough and untouched, I would say. There's also loads of restaurants here. There's even a Burger King here at the time I'm making this video. So lots of different things to choose from. Also a very active nightlife. In the evening there's loads of little performances in the harbor area. There's also lots of restaurants, different variety of restaurants to choose from. So no matter what you like, if you like a really touristy holiday with lots of choice and lots of offer, or if you're staying in 2 weeks on Menorca and you definitely don't want to run out of things to see and do, then this could be the ideal destination for you on Menorca. Even though Cala Bosch has one of the more active nightlifes on Menorca, do know that this place is still very family friendly, so don't expect to go clubbing here or have any discotheques or something. It's not this kind of place, but then Menorca in general doesn't have these kind of places. It's very family friendly nightlife. The Cala Blanca in Menorca I would most advise for people who like a relaxing holiday, with especially smaller children who like to come and relax in Menorca, mostly in the hotel or on the beach. If that's the type of holiday you're looking for, then Cala Blanca might be the ideal destination for you on Menorca. The Cala Santandria is just a little bit further away and actually also within walking distance from the Cala Blanca. Cala Santandria is a nice little beach resort. There's only 2 or 3 hotels here, really not so much, but it's mostly about the beach and the nice relaxing bay that they have here. So if you like to relax, spend time on the beach, this could be a great holiday destination for you in Menorca. Ciutadella used to be the capital of Menorca, but now has been replaced with Mahon on the other side of the island. So this really ain't a touristy destination. There is also not really a beach here. There is one, but it's not really the nicest one. Ciutadella I would most advise for people who like a little bit of a cultural holiday or a city holiday or an adults only holiday, and most likely also are renting a car to explore more of the island. This is really a good place to be then, as you can really drive easily from Ciutadella all over the island, because most of the roads go through Ciutadella. Cala Blanca is one of the biggest holiday destinations on Menorca. This is also where most of the tourism takes place on the island. There's loads of bars and restaurants in the town center. There's 4 different beaches to choose from, very different beaches to each other. So if you like to change location and go to other beaches from one day to the next, this could also be a great place. In the evening, also in the town square, there's loads of family-friendly nightlife. So lots of restaurants, but also small performances and things to see and do. Also, there's a water park here, so very family-friendly place all around to go to Cala Blanca in Menorca. Next up is the Cala Morell in Menorca. This is one of the most untouched holiday destinations on the island. There's not really so much development here. There's just a nice beach and lots of villas and stuff for rent. So if you like that kind of holiday, this could be a good place for you on Menorca. Next up is Fornells in the north of Menorca. The north in general is one of the less developed and more untouched destinations in a good way. So it's still very authentic here and very much about nature. There's only a few apartment complexes and hotels here and some really nice beaches. From the town next door of the harbor of Fornells, you have great possibilities to go and explore the sea and different beaches nearby by boat, and also do loads of different water sports. Then we come to Son Park, another one of these destinations in the north of Menorca. There's a nice beach here. It's really quite a relaxing holiday destination, and it's also about the golf course here. There's a big golf course, so if you like to play golf and relax, then this is a definite place I can advise on Menorca. Another one of these places in the north of Menorca, but a bit bigger and a bit more developed, I would say, is Arenal de Castell. A very nice beach here. There's loads of different restaurants and bars in the small town. There's also a small water park and fun things to do for the kids nearby. The one thing I do want to say is that this area is quite hilly. So if you are traveling with people with a disability or with small children in pushchairs, this might not be the best destination for you on Menorca. Next up is Mahon. Mahon is the cultural heart of Menorca. So this is really not a beach holiday destination, but a lot of tourists do come here for the culture and things to see and do and experience, as well as the great food and the markets. If you are renting a car, this however could also be a great place for you to stay on the island, as from Mahon you can easily drive pretty much everywhere on the island and explore many different towns, but also different beaches nearby, as well as many different things to see and do. A small drive away from Mahon and also very close to the airport is Salgar. This is a very nice place. It's not very big. There's just a few hotels and apartment complexes here. However, there ain't really a beach, but there is a nice swimming platform next to the beach club from where you can swim in the sea. So not really a beach, but still a very nice place to enjoy the sea without getting all the sand everywhere. So if you like this kind of holiday, this could be a great destination for you. A little bit further away is the Punta Prima, also very close to the airport, so very easy to get to, a short drive from the airport. Punta Prima is mostly for the all-inclusive holidays that they offer in this area. Big all-inclusive hotels where you can find pretty much everything you want in the hotel. However, outside of the hotels there's also a nice small beach, and near the beach there's also a few little restaurants to choose from. Not too many, but what they do have here is quite a bit of variety and different things to choose from. Also, there's a nice little water park nearby if you would like to go to the water park. Next up, and also close to the airport, is Binibeca. It's a pretty special place. You either like it or you don't. If you're looking for new and modern and big hotels, then this isn't the right place for you. It offers mostly houses and villas and residential places to rent in this area. Cala Morell is one of the smallest destinations you can go on holiday to in Menorca. If you want the get away from it all experience mixed in with some of the pure Spanish vibes, this might be a great choice for you. Do know that this area is quite hilly, so if you have people with you with pushchairs or people with a disability, this is not really a great place for you. However, the beach here has some nice white sands and really clear blue water. In the evening, one of the great places to enjoy here is the Coves d'Encherrois, where you can really relax, sit back and look over the sea. For all my guides covering Menorca and as well many other holiday destinations, know you can find my full complete guide on my website that I always keep up to date. If you don't want to do that right now, then there's also this video you can check with much more information about traveling to Menorca.